Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create this e-girl look and dress and press without VIP. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, for the hairstyle, you can choose this one and then you're going to color it black. And then this one, choose only bangs and then you're going to color it red and also black. And combine it with this hairstyle, make it black. And this one you're going to choose only bangs and then again you're going to make it black. And this cat ears you're going to make it black and red, and this headphone make it all black. Okay, and the next one I'm going to put on this t-shirt and then we're going to make it black for the first selection, and for the second selection I'm going to make it this red color, and also for the third selection. Okay, and then I'm going to go to this area and I'm going to put on this item and I'm going to apply this strip pattern, and then I'm going to apply this stocking and we're going to make it high striped socks and remove the feet, and then I'm going to make it black and red. For the first selection, make it black, and the second selection, you're going to make it red. Okay, and the next one, I'm going to go to this area and put on this shoes, and then we're going to make it black for the first selection and also the second selection. For the third selection and fourth selection, just leave it like that. And then wait, I'm going to go back to this area, and put on this item and I'm going to make it thick and make it toggle 4. Alright, and then I'm going to go to this area and I'm going to put on this jeans and make it black. Okay, and I'm going to go to this area and put on this belt, and then we're going to add chains. Okay, done. And I'm going to go to the dressing room and go to the cart item and I'm going to choose this necklace. Okay, for this necklace, just make it black. And alright, this is for the final result. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create this e-girl look and dress and press without VIP. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.